of me? Why not take all of me? Can't you see I'm no good without you? Take my lips, I wanna lose them. Take these arms, I'll never use them. Your goodbye left me with eyes that cry. How could I be any good without you? You took the part that once was my heart, so why not take all of me? Hello everybody, I'm Vasco and today we are learning how to play All of Me. This is a jazz standard. It's performed by all the greatest like Billie Holiday, Frank Sinatra, Louis Armstrong, Fitzerald and everybody else, so you should do it too. We have a very interesting chord progression. We'll do it on a high G string ukulele, so grab yours and let's go. Alright, throughout the whole song, basically we're repeating one thing over and over, but it is actually three parts, and it's part A, then part B, then again part A, and then part C. It's a very classic way of doing these kind of songs. So the part A goes like this: C to E7, then to A7, to D minor. Alright, that's part A. As for the strumming pattern, I'm just doing down strums on every chord, and also after every strum I'm either muting the strings with the left hand. For example, for the C chord, I'm just putting my fingers on top like this. So I'm allowing it to ring for very short amount of time. Okay, on E7, I'm basically just releasing the pressure. On A7 again this, and on D minor, releasing the pressure. So if the chord contains more than 3 fingers pressing, you just release the pressure. If it's less than that, you put any of the 3 fingers on top of the strings after the strum. All of me, why not take all of me? Can't you see I'm no good without you? And then we go to the part B, which starts with E7 to A minor, and then to D7. All right. And here we have a bar split between D minor and G7. Take my lips, I wanna lose them. Take my arms, I'll never use them. And here I'm doing a little walk just on the A string, 2, 3, 5, and getting back to part A. Your goodbye left me with eyes that cry. How could I be any good without you? And we go to the part C, which is the most interesting for me. We have quicker chord changes. We start with F, then to D sharp diminished 7. Alright, that's a cool chord, but we need 4 fingers for it. And after that, the chord of C, to the chord of A7, and then D7, to G7, to C. and just the last C is a full bar. All the rest of the chords are splitting a bar. So you took the part that once was my heart, so why not take all of me? And you start from the beginning. And maybe you notice that on the part C, I'm actually changing the strumming pattern. I'm doing something like down, down, up, down, up, which is very simple, but after just the straight downs, it kind of makes it a little bit fuller. So yeah, that's a little dynamic trick that I'm using in it. And basically this sums it up. It's kind of simple, but also challenging in a way. So don't be afraid to spend a little bit more time on really mastering it. And if you're interested in the fingerstyle version of this, let me know in the comments below. Maybe we'll do it this month or next month, I don't know, but just let me know so I know that you're interested in that. And that's it from today's video. Thank you very much for watching it. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and you'll see me on the next one. Goodbye.